Siyabingelela, ubingelela baba udokotela baba Sizo baba uJabulile umfana muhle ungathi ikhehla lomlungu umzulu kancinci. Angibingelele ngibonge futhi akekho uyaphoxa umuntu okabonga sibonge nje kakhulu isupport esiyithola kunina siyabonga siyathobeka kakhulu ngayo yonke indlela siyazehlisa futhi. Mabudodeni namhlanje une topic ethi abangani bakho izitha zakho. Your friends are your enemies. Your pals are foes. You think they like you? They just don't like you. They hate you by far. Their car, they wish it's their car. Yes, but okay, let me correct the spelling. Stop begging your sister to come back to you. Nixolelana. Ayikho lento ekazenzeke leyo nto leyo. Yabona lento yokuzondana nomuntu omakhelwane okay ningaxolelana ngoba nomakhelwane but menizondana ngokwe DNA ukuthi niyalamana. Leyanto it spread to the children. Nixolelane nina kodwa ingane ezingaxolelana. Awu understand? Lento yeni yokuzondana yokuxabana nomndeni nigcina ningasezwana. Wena ube weak ngenxa ukuthi usuyakholwa uthi hayi ngeke ngikwazi ukukholwa kodwa angixolelane nosibani bani. The beauty about that kuhle ukuthi ningezwani nokuthi pretendana ngathi niyezwana. Bad thing ukuthi nje ungamncengi because the more umncenga uthaya uzutshela omalume ukuthi ngicela ngihlanganise nosibani bani siyikhulume lento idlule. Yena uyabona ukuthi wena awumncengi kunento wena ongakwazi ukuyiachieve unless yena evuma ukuthi nikhulume. Uyakubona ukuthi kunento ekushayayo but manje wena ikubambe ukuthi wena kuze ukuthi uyenze lento ofuna ukuyenza ufuna upretend angazuthi ufuna ukuxolelwana. I-damage esiyenzekile emveni ukuthi ningazwani isi affecte nezingane. Le damage izocrack unomphelo nizoxolelana within 2 years wena ushona. Izingane zakho zizomzonda lo waxolelana zizo assume ukuthi uyena obulela ubaba obulela uma. Once kwafika esikhatini sokuthi unobufakazi bokuthi umfowenu beshishiliza umkakho, find it difficult ukuthi uphinde umxolele. Mshiya kanjalo uhlukana naye iphuma kuyena. Because the more wena uthi hayi bafo abantu besifazane basiqhatha ngicela ukuthi idlule lento ngeke singanza ndawonye singezwani siqhatha abantu besifazane. Umfowenu unawo lento ethi wena uzama ukumsondeza so that uzombulala because into ayenza kuwena ibhlungu. Lento sisokulala nosibari wakho ucabanga ukuthi usisi wakho uyixolele leyo nto. Akayixolelanga ngoba ingane zakhe ziyayazi. Ingane zakhe ziyazi ukuthi okwenza ukuthi wena ulale nobaba wabo kwakuyini kwakukuthi uma wabo wayivese engaphilanga wena ucela ukuthi uzosiza lana wena wathola ithuba ukuthi ngoba usisi uyagula ukuthi mina ngivusa amabele la usibari ingane lento aziphathanga kahle kuze kube uyashona umkhonyana usibari wakho senithi nina ngoba namantombazana anixolelane okwenza izingane zakho zazasisi wakho zinento ethi emveni wena ukuthi ulale nobaba ubaba akaqedanga unyaka washona yini le wamfaka yona. Ngalo ndlela yeka ulokhu uncenga umuntu wasekhaya. Umuntu wasekhaya meningezwani anzwani period. Meningezwani anzwani nje period because manje wena the more umncenga as if we are regreta ukuthi decision owayithatha ukuthi ubabambe yaba wrong kwafuze uqala ubafonele ubabuza ukuthi bakuphi benzani. Ngoba omunye wamnika imali enkulu eyonobola. Wamnika imali enkulu ehamba icala. Walwina icala imali obuzipenda lapha uthi uyamsiza ukwenza lento behind the scene ngezisho la kwecamera. Lo mali akasayingeni. Usenamabhizinisi akho right futhi. Wevese eshaya ifraud right manje. Akasayingeni. Lento enixabanisile izohlezi inixabanisa ngoba vese ngaze akhokhela imali yakho. Njoba nosuthi wena hayi bafu mokuthi le mali onayo unayo umntaka baba ngeke ngithi ngizobuka ibhizinisi yakho mase ngithi ngoba unebhizinisi ufuna ukhokha asidlulise nje lento wasekhaya wena singaxatshiswe imali. Uhlakaniphile lo muntu unako ukuthi wena kunento ofuna umuthi ngothayela ufuna sondele eduzana alahle. Umuntu wakini he is more likely to kill you first before even fail kulento ozoxolelana ngoba uyabona vese bamtshela nabaye bathi ilalela la nazalo. Ngeke umuntu ufike umshishilize kanje mase ethi uyakuxolela. Umi kanje lokuyiqiniso. Uzokayina ngothayela kabuhlungu ngabe. Uzokayina ngepopo kabuhlungu ngabe. uphuma nje uhlehlekile nje umi kanje yena ngasho umefuna imali yakho umkhokhele yabo engisho ukuthi abantu abaningi bawenzile amaphutha bezama ukubuyisa isimo engeke size sibuye vese ngeke size silunge vese ngoba mina ngakunika imali trusting ukuthi uzongibuyisela uphelile u5 years uphelile u10 years manje le mali engabe ngangenza enye into ngayo ngasacrifice kwena ukuthi asikhokhele umele ukwenza lento ngemuva ngathatha imali yepension engabe le mali engabe ngasiza nganzame ngathi mina bafuna ukuthi uye ejele angithathe kodwa le pension meeting ngiyifixile ngoba nami sekimdala ngiyazi ukuthi uMkulungu namhlanje unalutho namhlanje wena usebenza esikoleni namhlanje nogade esikoleni kodwa umfweni unazo zonke izinto wena wazenzayo lento ukuthi uma wakho kutheme kushona umabo wakho mesaba amafa wena waku-isolate ngaphandle zonke into zakulaba abanye balotsholelwe benzelwa bonke into wena mase kuganwa nosenzi lutho ungacabanga ukuthi bayakuthanda njengoba ngisho lento lokuyisondeza kubona uyikuhla kubona bakuthanda they want to waste it because you are pathetic kubona nje uma wakhe engakuthandanga nje ifa lonke la show baba wakho wancama ukuthi wena unikwe lento owanikwa yona kodwa the rest bathathe by far and stop begging those people. And stop begging them because you are more likely to lose your life. Ngento wena obungenamsebenzi vese obungaphila ngaphandle kwakho. Kuphileka kahle uma wazi ukuthi uzondobani rather than uphile nomuntu opretenda ngoba ethi he keeps peace but akakuthandi. Meaning that whenever he gets an opportunity ukukhuluma nesitha sakho bayakhuluma into ekhulumekayo. As long as isitha sakho siwenza show siyakususa ngoba vese akakuthandi. Kuukuthi nje niyakhuluma. Ngoba siyababona abantu bethi hayi kufuna kuyiwe emakhaya kuhlala phansi kwezukuthu ukuthula kwani lokho kulunge kunje ukuthula kwani lokho ukwani ukuthula ukukhuluma ngakwena ngoba mina ngakwenza ukulungisa kwena wena uzangikwenza bona kunoma sekufuna kube khona ukuthula ku right ukuthi abukho ukuthula okudingayo angisho ukuthi ngicreate i division but i division yenza ukuthi ube ne vacuum i vacuum yenza ukuthi kushaya umoya let's keep it like that uhlala lapha ngihlala bakuphelile and mina ngiyibona inkinga lapho ngoba into eyinkinga ukuthi manje ngiphoqa ngize ngicela abantu ukuthi aba-advocate ukuthi abahlanganise ihlanganiselane vese ngoba right ulapha nami ngi-right ngila kunalesa sikhala ushaya umoya simple as that ngoba ngempela abantu abaningi babulawa abafowabo babulawa oma wabo special omama abanenhliziyo ezimbi kakhulu noma ngisho baba uma wakho nje bekubuka nje uyilento eyiyona uyakufisela ukuthi ngangcono ube ingane zakhe lezi ezirishana any opportunity abayitholayo ukuthi wena ungazi ushada uma usushada umkakhe ngaba namafa agcine ezithathele izokuthi awubulawa ngoba wena uthe umulungelo izinto wakhohlwa ingane zakini wakhohlwa khuyiswa kanjani ngalondlela uma wakho collide nabafowabo ukuthi cili chezukiswa ngalondlela ukungazwani nomuntu wakini it better not to go and beg for forgiveness it won't work otherwise you are inviting trouble yabo otherwise you are inviting trouble and enye into ofuna uzibuza yona ukuthi angaza ngizonda umuntu wasekhaya ngowakubo sancela ibele lodwa sala lesini yini angizondela yona ngoba nginalutho umuntu wakini akakuzondela utho ukuzondela is-success around you kanjani ngoba ngisebenza futhi akunalutho kwakuthi wena unezingane ezingazele multiple children egcekeni kuyena kuyamdina lokho ngoba yena unengane manje ezalela iSomalia yena wena unayo ingane njalo kwayonke nje iyamdina lonto leyo i-success yakho iba wesike muke waba successful umuntu wakini will never angifuni ukuthi abantu umuntu wakini will never ba lento ukuthi bagcine bengakuthandi usuke yedwa vese advocate lonto ukuthi wena ungathandi uyedwa vese obafaka isihlava oba driver even umeze ukuthi bekhona sobantu hey musihamba nosibani sicela thina ukuphuma wena sesiyakusaba phela la muntu sesiyamsaba athi musuhamba naye egcina ezi distance ngoba manje uyazi ukuthi bonke abantu abahamba nawe abahambisana nawe they get persecuted naye does not want to be persecuted kodwa i-success yakho threat kubona as long uphumelela they will never tolerate that ngoba ubonani abantu bakini by far there are very few graduation yengane yakho there are very few but there are a lot emngcwabeni wakho hey kusuka nomunye ku 300 kilometers mezokuthi ushonile asuke egolo omunye shiya emsebenzini athathe usuku lokuhlala ngangeni ngoba uthi uzwile ukuthi ufile lenje hayi ukuthi ingane yakhe ya graduate ngomgqibelo cha qakezi abizi engisho ukuthi lento ke ngifuna ukuthi ke si understand ngoba ngempela abantu baphusha udongo ngeke luze lunyakaza vese kunokuloko luphusha vese liwele kuwena njengokuthi ngiphushe lo seleliwele liyeke lunje lelo donga walivimba umoya loya moya ku right loya moya ke u right udonga limiswa limele ukuthi wakhe istructure phezulu wakhe ishelter engisho ukuthi lesa simo lesiya it is your success your lifestyle iyabadina abagculisekile ngayo bengithi abagculisekile ngempela ngayo. This is babo Dr. Babo Sizwe. Ake singeneni ke ku global politics. Sesikhuluma into ezemethi sasikhuluma kakhulu. Ake singene ku global politics. Uyazi ipolitiki ama politicians iwona phethe iremote. Asibukisa ichannel efuna ibuye ibona. They don't give us an opportunity to ask for another channel. Ipolitician ikubukisa yazi mina ngaya kwenye komunye umuzi kudlala ichannel eyodwa iparliament channel kuphela. Uma nifikile nje lapha yana nifike niseshwe kunendawo ekubekwa khona ibhamu ufike ngeke ngisho ukuthi kuphi sePitoli Arcadia. Mungena lapha ukhuphuke left and right imizi yama cabinet ministers musu ungena lapha kufika lapha nendawo enkulu eyi-U10 pake imoto lapha wana niseshwe ni declare ufuna ukudeclare nishiya ibhamu nishiya amafoni nishiya izibhamu nishiya amafoni beke lapha. I-channel edlala lapha iyodwa the parliament phela ayikho enye edlala iyodwa engisho ama politicians aphethe remote iwona sitshela ukuthi asibukeni and funa sibuke leyo nto till we can watch TV again. Ibrahim Traoré is young, vibrant, energetic, gazi lakhe liyabila. But kade ngimlandela ngimbuka ngithi mina wow, this is beautiful. Is he a politician or what? Angazi ngizokuthiwa ngathi uyi-politician. But uma ngithi ngiyambuka u-diverse ngendlela eyisimanga. None of the Southern African countries akhuluma now for any help, any model of help, none. And abantu akhuluma nabo abase-East, who are the mind colonizers as well, of which is China and then Russia. Russians, they don't believe in liberation because in Russia, if you believe in liberation, wonke lamazwe ewacenezele Yakutsi, Siberia, kuphi kunamazwe amaningi acenezele iRussia because iRussia will never allow any country to be liberated. Meliphethwe ibona. Thereafter angazi ukuthi siyibuka kanjani kodwa nje uyazibuza ukuthi uma ngempela iMongolia ingangakaya iMongolia isincane ngakanani because of iRussia. iMongolia was not that size because of iRussia namhlanje iMongolia iliyanto liyana and then iMongolia is not iRussia is not willing to release those the territory they took from Mongolian people who are so-called yellow Russians. Now uTraoré kade ese Russia eye kula military parade then bambuza ukuthi ke uboneni la washo thereafter base bambuza ukuthi yini oyicabangayo ngabantu base Burkina Faso about linguistic. Into ayishilo kumina it was absurd. He's an African. Ngokwenkolo akayena umKristu uyiSulman. Bengilindele ukuthi bebembuza ukuthi mina about nicabangani njengoba ningakwazi ukukhuluma isiRussia eBurkina Faso. I was expecting him to say njengamanje asiyibona inkinga etheni ngoba ubudlelwano bekho ku government level abukho kwezingeni eliphansi njengamanje sino language enhle esiyisebenzisa sonke noma ngabe siyasonta noma senzana which it's Arabic and then for business sisebenzisa is French. Bengithi mina mhlawumbe uzosho njalo. Into ayishilo uthe njengamanje they are sending students to come and study in Russia so that they'll come back and educate people Russian. Kathi konakala there is another colonization and enye into engiyibukayo liyanto leyana ese Burkina Faso asithi eku Sahel region izokwenza ukuthi ukuthembana kwama politicians no general emasosheni kuzongabi khona because alikho izwe el perfect, alikho izwe kuthiwa lirana perfect, alikho, not even one eAfrica kuthiwa lirana 100% perfect. Yabo ngoba nathi lento ngeke sikwazi ukuyibekezelela uma kuthiwa amasosha athatha over because of this and this and this and this and this. mase kuthiwa itando idemocracy ikhanseli amasosha athatha over njengoba kwenza ngoba le nto leyana iyeka Ibrahim Traore it erode idemocracy. It will literally make ngoba amasosha they suppose intelligent intelligence South Africa to MI military intelligence every day, not every week, every day they have to debrief president. Every day they have to debrief president about foreign intelligence. Every week, NIA, they have to debrief president. Secret Service, they have to debrief president on every basis. But now, president wait, debrief abantu angasabathembi because le nto yenza ku Sahel region ukuthi le information abanginika iyona yini noma iyona ekufuze ngizwe. Manje akusekho ukuthembana. Asezokuba ngempela ukuthembana ngoba intelligent ufuze izomdebriefa every day. Bamtshela situation right now. INIA every week izomdebriefa. Secret Service funa izomdebrief. Office of the President ifuna ube information phela but now ayisabasezobathemba phela ngoba le nto la uma celebrate the way abantu beyicelebrate ngakhona it literally erode democracy in Africa completely ngoba ima sizobekezela ukuthi ama social they will take over kuzogcina the whole continent kwi military state ngoba into eyenzekayo uTraore ususa iBurkina Faso from the western powers uyisa kwi east. Chinese and Russians are taking over from the same resources because akanayo imali okukhokhela ama Wagner forces lawana igebengu lezi inkabi zase Russia kunokuthi azikhokhela ukuthi they will own this mine then they'll do the security but they'll own these resources and they'll do that is how we pay them. We use gold in order to pay these people so they should remain but into eyenzeka lapha angimboni Ibrahim Traore after 5 years. Una 2 years eyenza lento yakhe. After 2 years, after 3 years, a former head of state. Angimbona yenza leyo nto. Ngibona another detector in the making. Ngibona omunye umgabe mina lapha. Ngibona omunye uMobutu Seseko. Ngoba ukulungisa le nto yase Sahel njengamanje lo baba lamfana uhleli ku 62% wezwe. The rest of 38% uphethwe zigebengu. For yena to eliminate lo 38% uphethwe zigebengu, it may take him another 10 to 20 years, meaning that he's in power forever. Sakana senye i-detector lapha esiyakhayo. Enye i-detector esiyakhayo but it's in the making and siya-enjoy, siya-celebrate. And okunye ke engikubukile, baningi abantu aba-pretender njengokuthi bayamsupport. I repeat, baningi abantu abapretenda ungathi bamsupport. Laba bantu abasoze bayisupporta into enjeyana because of their hand. Isandla sabo sisoft kakhulu because it has been massaged by CIA. CIA has made them very, very, very stable by far. Kwi-SADC alikho izwe stable njengeBotswana. I repeat, kwi-SADC alikho ilizwe stable njengeBotswana. Aerial surveillance iBotswana by far it's excellent because of America. Because of America. Can't fly a drone over Botswana because of American presidents. And then CIA secret services yakhona, they decided to use uDuma, the president was Botswana, to sugarcoat him, to go and meet this guy so that he'll come back and report the weak points that he has noticed. President wase Botswana is not a president ofana no he's got no interest in Leandolian. He has never wear camouflage unless it was an arm. But kade obona uChaube bese fuze na agqoke camouflage. Emasosha agqoke camouflage oqala. I-camouflage igqoka ku-deployment. Ama-officers agqoka office uniform. Umuntu onjengalena ugqoka an office uniform. Sinabo general South Africa. They don't wear camouflage. Camouflage igqoka ku-deployment kuphela. But lo baba lana bese faka i-camouflage obona lapha. And then lo baba is a deceiver of all. Believe you me. And then into kade iyele lapha kuTraba ayikho. Those are the people like Angolans. Angola iya pretend. They just don't like him, they don't like his strategy, and they'll never align themselves with them. Reason why I'm saying that, kunendawo is like big as Swaziland manje. Le ndawo it is so much developed. Ungazi uthi ise Paris, ungathi ise New York. It's so much developed in Angola. Kunezikole ezifundisa iEnglish, American English, not Portuguese. Zama American. American are rigging oil lab to be like no else's business. Kune panoi every day. Elisuka Washington lize Angola every day. And then Americans has made Angola very rich now. Abantu abaningi they are moving to work kuleza ndawo as develop Americans, meaning that ayikho into upresident wase Angola ayisho uya act. We know abantu abashuka quoted by CIA. CIA ayisebenzi kwi level that is known. Banento abathi undercover psyops, undercover psychological operation. They able to use anyone who is visible to be normal, but we know very well that he just gathering what is called psyops. Labo bantu ngabantu abaqala bazo expose information ukuthi nansi lesinotisile uwiki la. Kunezinto futhi eAmerica engenazo ishow ngazo. They need to send somebody direct, like President wase Angola, President wase Botswana, ukuthi he must personally go there. Listen to me carefully. Ucharo will never visit Botswana. There's no way that he can do that. Ucharo will never visit Angola. There's no way they can do that because he doesn't trust them either. He does not trust them either. Engisho ukuthi bakithi lento sizovela siyibuke nje ngokuthi asikwazi ukuthi mesithi siyiAfrica sifuna ukuziliberate. Sisuke from east to west, from west to east. Why can't we solve African problems according to our indigenous solutions? Don't you have African Union? What is an African Union? I mean, that is a puppet organization that Traore does not want to use. ECOWAS, what is that? Why are we still having those organs existing in Africa? If both they are not working, there's no function. If function go to either u support east noma west. If you support the west, if you about two, pelo fun support. Why he has to support only Russia? What about Turkey, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Pakistan? There's so many countries in East. Why only China and Russia? Leando iyasolisa ukuthi we are being torn apart. Lona mesekhathele ukusidlengula, lona uthi ayusengakwazi ukudlengula ngoba kusekhona iChina neRussia ihlukaniselana ngathi futhi. We are Africans. We pretend to be foreign in our own continent whereby we need to be helped by foreigners. We don't trust Africanism yet. We pretend as if we're Africans, but we don't trust each other. Ibhlungu ke lento le ngoba asimbona uChaure esebenzisa organs akhona oTunisia, Egypt, Algeria, South Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, any country that you may think of. We got so many stable countries. South Africa, Botswana, Tanzania, Kenya. We got so many countries that are stable. That if you can try I believe unai Africanism angakwazi, but now he's selling his soul to the different companies. Selling his soul to different companies. I work in a group ayikho into enza laphayana. Ayikho into yenza lapha iwork group. All they do is what was done by French and UN. Simple as that. Ayikho into enza. I work in a group ayikho into enza. Isebenza ndawo iholela ayiholela America isholela yona. I work in a group is holela yona. Uyabatshotsha bakade wena uzobahola ngalento nansi imali yabo, the rest they can look after, but this is theirs. This is how they get paid. This is what what happened to our 49 Afrikaners? Leyanto leyana ngicabanga ukuthi abantu bayibheka at a layman's eye. Siyayibuka leyanto but asiyibheki kulela lihlo leliyana. We get so-called 49 Afrikaners. Of which I was told 59, not 49, but good to have 49s as well. Laphana kunento esizocela thina singama civilian esingazilutho nge-intelligent ukuthi i-intelligent yethu ayike ibuke lento ngenye indlela. Kukhona lento eyenziwayo. I repeat, kukhona lento eyenziwa eAmerica and Britain. Ukhona lento abafuna ukuyenza. Laba abantu ababahambise laphayana buka iminyaka yabo ukuthi mngaki. Awukwazi ukuthatha umuntu oneminyaka ewu57 umenze a refugee in a foreign country. Usalelo 3 years ukuthi ahole impesheni. That you cannot do. Awukwazi ukuthatha umuntu onomuzi owetha more than 2 million. Umshisa umuzi wakhe uyomenza i-refugee nayo yonke isite yakhe ayishiya kanjalo. That you cannot do. Into eyenzekayo la amabhunu lawayana is a sugarcoating lado. Are trained in South Africa kwi military. Khumbula lonto. Are trained in South Africa kwi military la mabhunu. La mabhunu lawayana alaphayana ayikho iprovince angayazi eSouth Africa. La mabhunu lawayana. As much as I trained with Defence Force, I has yonke iSouth Africa. And then kunento engase ithi, angisho ukuthi unjani, kunento engase ithi, iAmerica is isolating them for advanced training. And thereafter, they will pretend as if they are boycotting America, they want to come back. Sizoyibuka lento thina ngekehlo nje oluhlukile la kabadokotela ukuthi laba bantu labana it may happen ukuthi iAmerica ifuna ukuba trainer. Imisisi ba trainile, imisi iphindi ba invite abanye abantu abawa trainer lapha yana ngoba ama camps akhona a immune bangakwazi ukutraina noma ikuphi without being disturbed by SNDF. Ekuba training kwabo bazobagcina eAmerica for 5 years. Messi America i-raise istandard sokuthi i-genocide yamabhunu eSouth Africa yakaphili ngalo ndlela iyangenelela ukuzolekelela amabhunu acela ukuzolekelela. Lento abayenze iIraq beqamba amanga bethi kunezikhali zembubhiso. Lento abayenza iIran besebenzisa uIsrael ukuthi aloke eshara nengane ezinye ezingenzanga lutho. Yinto abazoyenza ke la kuthini. After 5 years la mabhunu esetrainiwe with minimum of 5,000. Asebenze ngakwazi ukuthi manje basebenzise wona to spearhead i-guerrilla warfare ukuthi bafuna ukuzosiza la mabhunu aqhubekayo abulawayo. And ngoba asiyizwa thina i-United Nations iba vocal with sense ukuthi hey Trump uyiqambela namanga uyithatha blonde. What are you trying to do? uTrump uyenzile lento eyenziswa le nto lena. Ngoba le plan lena abanayo iplan lena ebolile. Le plan labana iplan ebolile engisho ukuthi if ukuthi thina sizolala manje laba bantu labana sibezo makhelwane wabo. Who are these people? Apha amaplaza abo. Asizothi ninabantu abangasasebenza emaplazini ngoba basibaba bahambile bawu49 baye phesheya. We don't hear those people. Who are these people? What they were doing in South Africa? What do we know about them? Ama bank balance abathini? Ama business kade bawenza bayenza njani? Awukwazi ukupheka within 2 years, within 2 months uphekela ukuya kwelinye izwe. You cannot sell it. I'm living in a house. I've got a house, I've got a flat. Not a flat, I'm a flat. I cannot sell that all within 2 months. No, ayikwazi kwenzeka lonto le. To sell a house plus or minus 8 months to 18 months to sell a house. To sell a flat 1 to 7 months to sell a flat. But within 2 months they sold everything. No, it was too quick. Why singabazi? Asibazi labantu bahlala. Wababona wona ngakini? Kaze babone mina labantu. Ngisho ukuthi South Africa ufuna iphinde siyibukisise lento lana. We are so much friendly kuma enemies ethu. Ama enemies ethu are arrogant towards us. Funa sibuke le nto ukuthi ngempela who are these people? Who are these people? This is Babu Dote, Babu says Bojalo Farab. Ngine topic ethi namhlanje na abangani bakho bayizitha zakho. Ezikahle kodwa. Isihlobo lesitha okwazi ukusihamba nalo ngemoto. Uhlobo lesitha lokwazi ukuthi udle nalo. Uhlobo lesitha lokwazi ukuvashila ekhaya. Those are convenient enemies, They're not edgy, they don't push it, but they are working on your assignment. Abangani bakho, they report everything about you. Those are your so-called friends. Abangani bakho ibona bokuqala amaphoyisa afuna ukwazi ukuthi who are his friends mosofile. Because amaphoyisa according to their criminal understanding bayazi ukuthi umuntu akudayisa umuntu osondeleyo nawe. Ngeke kusuka umuntu empangeni odubula umuntu eFree State. He must have a contact. That number one, he must have contact. Engisho ukuthi labantu laba esibabiza ngabangani, labantu laba esicamele kubona, labantu laba esilele kubona, labantu laba esidele. Uyazi khona umuntu ngenxa yomndeni wakhe, yabangani bakhe ngeweekend akeke ekhaya ngikwazi ungahlala nabangani bami. Abangani bami bathe, abangani bami bathe, abangani bami bathe. Yonke into abangani bami, yonke into abangani bami. Those people. Abangani bakho abafika kuqala egazini lakho musofile because they want to make sure. They want to make sure ukuthi ufe ngempela futhi. Abangani bakho, they are the good contact to your enemies. Your enemies are trusting your friends. Ngayo yonke into abayifunayo. They're investing, they're banking on your friends. Ukuthi hayi uyazwana nosibani thina sizokhanda usibani bani nozwana nosibani bani. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Abangani bakho ibona abayingozi ngaphezulu kwa yonke into ngoba engizama ukusho ukuthi at your age you are 35 years old now. Ubile nabangani from 17 years kokhuphuka kuthi kwakujabulela futhi lo. But at the age of 35 years start to refresh it now. Refresh memory yakho. Refresh memory. Uyazi umngane wakho udina ukuthi wena kinumba iswimming pool. Umngane wakho njengoba una 32 years udina ukuthi wena kini njengoba uhlale Alex nje ufuna ukuthenga indawo, ufuna ukumba iswimming pool, ufuna umuzo no swimming pool. Akayithandi. Umngane wakho usene challenge ukuthi wena kini uthenga igate ka 7000. Kubaze bashe ekhaya bathi buka nje nhlula uma ufana unganakho kangawo wena ubhizi usitshela ifoni ukuthi u13000 yena uthenga igate la 7000 livula ngeremote. Wena uthenga ifoni ka 13000 umngane wakho athenga igate elivula ngeremote ekhaya kubo. Ngalokho ke abangani bakho abakuthandi because you are beating them nge-success and then you are uyabacasula. Lezo zinto lezo sicela ukuthi abantu bangene kuzona zibaphile engqondweni bese baphume kulona. Uyabona nje njengoba una 35 you are better alone. 45 you are better alone. 55 I don't know wini umngane kwena. 65 angisakhuluma ngabe uyagula ekhanda usenomngane. Ngabe uyagula ekhanda. Ngisho at the age of 35 ugotsha usemanzi ake siqale ke manje. Identify labantu abasibabiza abangani siba isolate. Identify labantu laba understand umngane wakho usenezithombe zakho uhamba umuntu ngeayini eclubini ebusuku. Umngane wakho unazo lezo zithombe. Wazi umthetho akazidelete lezo zithombe. Wathi hayi ngizozidelete. So wazidelete phambi kwakho. Kanti zikuma deleted file waphindwa waziqoma. Umngane wakho unazo lezo zithombe. Uzasho futhi for just mina ngiseneyipeleti nalo mthaka. Ngineyipeleti zangempela lo mthaka ngiqaqela amafindo ngayo. Unazo lezo zithombe. Ngeke azidelete. Wayeseba hard drive yakhe. Engisho ukuthi ingasiza lento ukuthi noma ngabe siyisontweni umngane wakho akahlangane nokuthi isontweni. Umngane wakho mbona uma usubuye esontweni ungayina isontweni. Ungamtsheli futhi ukuthi isontweni. Ngoba esontweni ilana kushintshwa khona impilo yomuntu ukuthi umuntu aqonde because lapha kuya neziyalo. Kunoma khwezi bakhona lapha nje esontweni abakhipha intshalo lakho nakwespecial book sakhona. Yabo. Abakhanda umuntu aqonde. Manje umngane wakho akakufuni lokho. Mtshela uma usubuye esontweni. Uma ukuthi uyendaweni ukuthi mtshela uma usubuya khona ungamtsheli usaya because laba abantu bano poison. Mina ngubaba uDokotela wesizibojabulile akekho umuntu osehlizweni yami umngane nami kufuze ukuthi 9999 kanje siyiqiniso cha. Mina mengizoya phesheya abangani bami basho qala bathi unemali awupheli phesheya. Uyabona umuzi uthi awucabanga ukuthi usho hawo phela anginayo imali nje kana nina phela nemali. Hayi ngoba yimbi inhliziyo yakhe. Yimbi inhliziyo yakhe. Yimbi. Iyamshaya into umngakho uyambuza hayi uyazama shem. Kusasa uyohambisa ngisho ingane zakho uthi kodwa mina ngongekubone lokho bese uzwe manje uncome indoda kumina. That alone kutshengisa ujealous. Akakubuza ukuthi wenza ngani. Into ekhandile kuwena ukuthi uje unemali awupheli phesheya. This is Baba uDokotela. Abangani bakho bayizitha zakho. Please stay away. Try to delete and reduce them by far because labangani ibona abayicause yale impilo siyona. Baboshiwa abantu bahlele kuma wheelchair abanye. Bamachida abanye. Abanye namhlanje banezifo ababengenazo. Abanye namhlanje badla amaphilisi athize ababengeke bazwadla ukuba bengangenanga kubangani. Namhlanje banabangani abasekho abasezi ukuzobabheka ezibhedlela abasezi ukuzobabheka emakhaya nje begula nje umngane. Kodwa babehamba nazo zonke nabeshaya inkwara. Unjani ke sesama manje manje? Yazibutha unjani because of abangani. We have to tell the truth about abangani. Abangani they are not made for us and then we are better off being a couple. This is Baba uDokotela. Siyabonga.